everyone, Citrus Aviation here with another video, and today we have a 4K model review of the NG Models Swiss A330-300 by NG Models. I'm really excited for this one because this is my very first NG Models 140 wide body model review, and it's also a model I've been really looking for because I've been looking for a Swiss Airlines model for a long time. So we're going to get started with this video. This is my very first Swiss Airlines model, and it is my only second Airbus A330 model. The only other one I have is a US Airways A330-300 by GJ Jets. Swiss International Airlines, now known as Swiss, was formed in 1925 after a merger of two smaller airlines in the region. The airline would grow and expand to be one of the largest international airlines, and particularly the largest one in the country. However, unfortunately, the airline aggressively expanded a bit too much in the late 90s and early 2000s and would end up going bankrupt and ceasing operations in 2002. The assets of Swiss would then be acquired by Lufthansa Group in 2005, and the airline would return to service under the new Swiss branding that you're seeing here. Now, this is an updated version of the livery that came out in the early 2010s, I think around 2013, where they made the titles bigger and such. But other than that, it's basically the same livery that they've had since Lufthansa acquired them in 2005. This aircraft, Hotel Bravo Juliet Hotel Charlie, is one of a total of 14 A330-343s currently operated by Swiss Airlines. They had at one point up to 29, but since then they've kind of cut down that number a little bit because they had too many. And this aircraft was delivered to Swiss on the 29th of July 2009 and has been operating with the airline ever since. This box is very nice. It's the NG Models box, and it has like this Swiss cross pattern, which is really nice. It has the Helvetica font, which is correct for Swiss Airlines, as obviously Helvetica is the most famous font to come out of Switzerland, as it's that nice, simple sans serif font. So it's really nice that NG Models use that on the artwork and not just on the model. The box is very nice protection for the model, as it is in a plastic and foam cradle, just like a 1/200 scale model, very well protected. NG Models does a fantastic job with the packaging. I can't commend them enough. And so with that being said, let's get on to the model itself. Alrighty, so we are going to get started with the details of this model. And you can see the nose cone, which is very nicely detailed with the cockpit windows. And then as we turn around, you can see the nose gear, which is very nicely detailed. And as we turn aside, there is the Star Alliance logo. And then there is some red writing right below it. I can't pronunciate what the red writing is, but I believe it is a city in Switzerland. The nose gear has Hotel Charlie on it, which is the parcel registration. There you can see the L1 door, the giant Swiss titles right where the first class cabin is. You can also see an antenna and a SATCOM box. I also really like how on the NG Models mold it shows the curvature of the A330 really nice. You can see that the curvature extends all the way to right about here, and then it just curves on up towards the nose. That's really nice. None of the other A330 molds really do that. The A330 is actually a really curvy aircraft. There's not very many straight parts of it actually. So it starts here and then just curls its way up to its point there and then comes back up. It's really nice. Then the L2 door, and then we have the little light there for the landing light. Move down, we have the engines. These engines are Rolls-Royce Trent 772B-EP engines. They are very nice. They look quite nice on this model too. If we go down the wing to the Swiss logo there on the winglet, and there is the red navigation light. Very nice. Alright, if we head back to the main fuselage, you can see the winglet, which I've always really liked the winglets on NG Models models. They're very nicely done. You can see the landing gears, they are nicely spread out, as the A330 does actually have fairly spread out landing gear. And as we head down here, we can see two more antennas and another SATCOM box for the economy class passengers. And then we have the registration, which is Hotel Bravo Juliet Hotel Charlie. And then we have the logo, which is the Swiss logo. It's basically a white cross on a red background. Alright. And then if we move to APU housing detail, it is really nice. And I also really like the gray outline around the part where the horizontal stabilizers do on the fuselage. That is really nice. I've not seen that on any other A330 model, so for NG Models to do that, it's pretty awesome. Oh, the detail here on the back side of the wing is quite nice. Alright, so now if we move to the starboard side, you can see it's basically the same as on the port side, except we have cargo container door there. And then if we head down the wing, you can see the landing light, the beautiful Rolls-Royce engines again. And then going down to the winglet with the green navigation light. If we go back to the main fuselage, you can see the rear cargo container door. There's actually two of them, as you can see. There's a smaller one as well. And then here you go. Here is the rear of the tail section. Right, now we are going to do topside details. You can see the cockpit windows, Star Alliance logos, the L and R1 door, the antennas, the SATCOM box, and the Swiss tiles. Interestingly enough, I want to mention this is in a font called Helvetica. It is a Swiss invented font, and of course to celebrate the great fonts of Switzerland, they're basically what's become the national font on the aircraft. So that's really cool. I believe this is Helvetica Neue Regular or Medium. I would know that kind of information as I'm a graphic designer. Alright, there you can see the red beacon light, and we are going to zoom out a little bit so we can do the wing detail, which is really nice on this model. I believe it says no step on wing, or something like don't walk outside this area, something like that. It's basically an emergency message to keep people inside the black lines there in case of a water body landing, in which case often individuals have to stand on the wing until help arrives. The leading edge slats, trailing edge flaps, ailerons, and pylons are very nicely detailed. Going to the back, there's two more antennas and a SATCOM box. You can see I really like how the NG models have some different sizes, so the one back is larger than the one up front, just like the actual Swiss A330 has. Okay, here we go to the horizontal stabilizers. These do not appear, yeah, I do not see logo-like detail, even though it really should be there. It's really my only knock on an otherwise amazing model. On the other side, it's very nice detail there for the front nose gear. Just look at this detail under here. Just look at that. It's amazing. This antenna. There's snack dots. There's an anti-collision light. Suppressor relief valve. Stand hole. There are the gear doors. The underside of the wing and engine detail on both sides. And also there's the registration. I don't know why, but most airlines around the world, except for US Airlines, like to put the registration there. And then there's another antenna. And then moving down to the rear, we have these horizontal stabilizers, which I just realized are a little bit loose. So this one is loose. So that's an issue. I might have to glue that back in. I really don't want to. Let's just see if I can put that in. Yep, I can put that back in. Alrighty, so now we are on to the seat map for the A330 for Swiss. And we have a configuration that can seat 223 individuals, with first class having 8 seats in a 1-to-1 configuration on rows 1 and 2. So that's right up front here. There's also 2 restrooms in front and a prep kitchen. Okay. And then we have business class, 47 seats in a 2-to-1 configuration or 1-to-1 config. I'll show a quick screenshot. It's kind of strange how Swiss lays out the business class. It kind of looks a little weird. That is rows 4 to 14. That starts right here about halfway down the Swiss logo all the way to the middle of the cabin. Alright, and that is from the middle of the Swiss logo all the way to the center of the aircraft right here. And that is also, there's a kitchen here and more lavatory, so it's kind of straddles this portion where there aren't really any seats. And then the rest of the cabin is economy, 168 seats, 242 configuration, rows 23 to 45 to the back of the aircraft. Now, on the back 3 rows, it's actually just 2, 3, and 2 as the aircraft gets a little narrower back here. But other than that, it's 2, 4, and 2 for the rest of the aircraft. Alright, so if we now go to the features of the model, it features rolling wheels which roll very nicely. The gears do not tilt, but that is okay. Alright, so to finish this view off, we're going to put it on a stand and then do the review. Let's see if this works. Yes, it does. Alright, there we go. Put the box in the back. We'll adjust the camera and adjust the focus, and then we'll get to my thoughts on the model. Alright. So this is a very nice model for NG Models. I've been looking for a Swiss Airlines A330 model for a long time. There really have been very many made. And so the fact that we finally have one in 1:400 scale after not really being one made for several years is really nice. I think Phoenix made one in like 2015. But this first one as of late, this model is very, very nice. I really like it a lot. And we'll get on to the score. The mold is insane. This is by far the best A330 mold I've ever seen. It's also the most accurate mold, so it gets 2 10s in those 2 categories in the mold and accuracy. Paint is outstanding. There's not really a single paint chip or fade or anything like that. It's nice and shiny and applied very well. Gets another 10, and of course the value is going to be a 10 out of 10 because there's not many Swiss A330s available. So overall, my rating for this model is a 40 out of 40. We've been doing pretty good with models as of late, getting a bunch of really high score models like that Delta MD-8 a little while back, and now this Swiss A330 getting another 40. There's a lot of good models out there. You just need to look for them and do your research. But this one is a fantastic model. I 100% fully recommend it. If you want a Swiss A330 model, this is the perfect one to get. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and God bless you. The NG Models box on this aircraft is really, really nice. It has a nice Swiss pattern with the Helvetica titles and a lot of other nice features. This box, and then we have
excuse me, I just had to sneeze. So it's just something, I got something.
Okay, hold up.
It's just I got some in my, I don't know what I was.
Hold up. Alright. Okay. Alright. For business